It's quacky duck time. Why parrots don't need a nutcracker.
It's quacky duck time. And need a holiday time. It's Irish
Number 1.
side.
Feathered foodies.
It's quacky duck time.
Parrots don't have teeth. Instead, they use their strong, curved beaks to crack open nuts and seeds. They even have a rough tongue to help manipulate food.
Everybody summer, summer now. I made the sunshine in your eyes. It's
Number
quacky
2.
duck time on my mind. It's quacky duck time.
The left-footed majority. Just like humans are right or left-handed, most parrots are left-footed. They show a strong preference for using their left foot to pick up food and objects.
It's quacky duck time. I need a holiday
Number 3.
time. It's Irish
Feathered mimics with meaning.
for you.
While parrots are famous for mimicking sounds, studies suggest some species, like the African gray, can understand the context and meaning of the words they use, such as identifying shapes, colors, and quantities.
Thanks for watching.
Another brand new juice.
Subscribe, like, share.
It's quacky duck time.
Quacky Duck Time.